Hey everybody, welcome back to Try New Things. So today is a beautiful sunny day, but that doesn't make everything go the way you want it to. Little important lesson: believing you know where the water line is different than knowing where the water line is. Let me show you. So my plumber asked me to dig a 32-inch deep trench from where the water line comes out of the garage or the barn over to where the water shutoff valve is. And about 8 feet away from the water shutoff valve and where I'm supposed to meet, right about there, I hit the water line. And so far, no response from the water company. So hoping they call me back soon. I'll keep you posted. Bye-bye. All right, so this is about an hour and a half later. You can see the water's not running anymore. And crisis averted. The good folks at Henry County Water were very quick to respond and came out and patched up my water line, or the water line that I hit. It turns out it was my neighbor's water line, taps in right by my meter. And no one knew that that's where it tied in. So they said it wasn't my fault, but I'll take the blame anyway. But again, it's better to know than to think you know where the water line is. Anyway, thanks for watching this very short episode. Not as productive as I wanted to be this afternoon, but could have been a lot worse. Thanks for joining. Till next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave some comments below.